name's Clark Branham and I'm the Technical Director for XINGYI Machine USA. And today I'm going to talk to you about the 250 VS, that's Variable Speed Edge Grinder. This is a single head 10-inch edge grinder. It's got a lot of really cool features, variable speed, single phase 240. And I'm just going to talk to you about some of the main features of this machine today and show you some of the functions. Okay, we'll start with the control panel. You have a stop switch, start button, and then the variable speed for the motor speed. So you can run slower for metals and up and higher for polishing the resins. So it really enables you to polish well with this machine. Very simple use of controls. Single phase 240, plug comes on it, of course one width, and then of course you can adjust the handle to the operating position that you need, and even the transport position. Next thing I'll show you is the leveler. So we have two ways of doing this. If you loosen this nut, then we can adjust the height of the wheels. And there's a level bubble here, I'll show you, that allows us to adjust the level of the machine. We also have a wrench here for changing the heads. I'll set this aside for now. And another feature we have is this knob, which allows us to articulate the wheels so that we can better grind the edge. And that's a very simple adjustment. And that enables us to stay close to a wall line without the wheels interfering. And here we have the fitting for the dust collector. Alright, here you can see the standard plate and the full shroud that comes down. We also have a segmented shroud so that when you're running edges, you can get right up against the wall line using this shroud. Very easy to change. Also, with this style of plate, we can run your standard diamonds like that, or we can run adapter plates in order to run Velcro style tools. So essentially you can run any style tool that you're running on your big grinder, which is another thing that makes this very versatile. The wrench fits the head, and it makes for a simple change. Okay, this comes off. We can drop a single head tool. It's already got a guide on it.